Does this Lego Harry Potter gift with purchase, the Borgin and Burkes Fluid Network, rank against some of its past competitors? Without further ado, let's get into it. With set number 40695, this set has 190 pieces, includes one minifigure, and it was a free gift with purchase in September of 2024. Harry Potter gift with purchase the last couple years have been absolute bangers. Back in 2022, they had the Hogwarts staircase with Hermione as the minifigure. It had 224 pieces. And then last year with the Gringotts Vault with 212 pieces, which is an unbelievable set, which is my personal favorite out of these three. But we're here to review and look over the 2024 one, Borgin and Burkes, with 190 pieces. But before we do, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment on this video. Let's get into this set. First thing first is the box art, and it's nothing really special here. It's kind of the same box art we've had over the last 5 years or so. I definitely have been advocating for Lego to switch this up, but it does show the cool features. It shows inside Borgin and Burkes, so other than that, it's nothing really much to see here. After opening the box, you're going to find 3 bags, a couple loose bricks, a instruction manual, and a little sticker sheet. I'm so happy the sticker sheet only had 4 stickers with the famous Borgin and Burkes sign. Couldn't be happier about this. Now, the minifigure it does come with is the Lucius Malfoy. Now, all the gift with purchases usually come with one minifigure, and this is the one. And I'm actually really happy because he does not come in a lot of sets, so you do get him. The only thing is he doesn't have his leg print, which is usually the robe that goes all the way from the torso all the way down to the legs. Very weird that they didn't add that little extra feature to it, or arm prints. So other than that, this minifigure is good, but it's definitely not great. Now, the set itself is actually a really good build, but as you can tell here, there's a lot of little pieces that kind of add to the features of the set, which is really cool. It adds to the design of the Borgin and Burkes, and I totally understand that. But the overall 190 pieces is definitely filled up with a lot of filler pieces like this. But the skulls and the goblets and things like that, it does add to the overall aesthetics of the Borgin and Burkes. But for a little bit, it almost feels like Lego just had leftover pieces. They told the design team, hey, these are the leftover pieces we have, figure something out. And then that's what they did. Again, the design's really cool. The details are really cool. But again, it's a lot of little pieces that they filled in to make this set. Now, one really cool feature of this set is if you bought the Burrow set, which I did, and the full review is in my bio, the Fluid Network actually does move up and down, so it's a cool little play feature for Lucius to go into. Overall, it's an awesome gift with purchase. I think the vault last year was really, really cool also. So again, anytime Lego does these free gifts, you should definitely take advantage of them because the resale market on these are way out of price and way out of control. So if you can afford to get a set when these do come out, I would definitely suggest it because they're really cool and it's something a little extra you can build and display. Anyways, for further reviews, and if you like this one, make sure to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see everybody on the next one.